Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll create an Azure Container App. So first of all, let me search for my container app. And here I will create, so I will say I want to create a container app. First thing is that I need to have a resource group, so I already have that. I can give a name to my container app, so let me call it as my app. Let me switch to environment as EastUS, and here I will say create a new app environment, and let me call it as my environment. I don't need it zone redundant, so I can simply create this. Here I have selected. Then I will go ahead and will select my container information here. So my app name is already coming here. So let me use this quick start image here. Okay, simple hello world container, and let me say review and create this, and let me click on create button. So this will ready a container app for me, then we'll test it. So here the resources are getting created, like my environment container app. So I will pause this video, it will take some time. Now my resource is ready, so I can go to my resource. And here this is my application URI, so it should show me the initial QQ template, starter template here. Yeah, so here it is, you can see that it is running. So this is how you can deploy your container app, and in this video we have simply used a starter template, that's it. So thank you for watching this video.